Hello children, good morning. Are you all fine? Yes, hope you are all fine at home. Okay. Shall we move on to today's class? Today our subject is literacy skills. Okay. And our topic is in page number, see, 6060. Okay. See, top and bottom. Our concept is positions. Okay, top and bottom. Look at the picture, circle the correct word. Okay, see, some pictures are given. You have to circle the correct word according to the picture. Okay, the cars are on the options are given, top, bottom, shelf. Cars are, see, where are the cars, children? The cars are on the top. Okay, this is bottom. Okay, this is top. Top means the upper position. Bottom means the lower one. Okay, the upper position. The cars are on the top. T-O-P, top. This is the correct word. Okay, so you have to circle the word top. T-O-P, top. Next, the balls are on the top, bottom, shelf. Okay, top or bottom? The balls are on the bottom of the shelf. The top shelf has cars. Only the bottom shelf has balls. Okay, the balls are on the bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Read out the spelling. Then only you can identify the correct answer. Okay, bottom. Next, move on to the next concept. Up and down. U-P, up. D-O-W-N, down. Okay, see, here is the boy and here is the girl. Okay, look at the correct picture, circle the correct word. Okay, the boy is looking up, down. See, the boy is looking up. Okay, he is facing upwards. Okay, so the boy is looking up. U-P, up. Next, the girl is looking up or down. The girl is looking down. She is looking downwards. Okay, the girl is looking D-O-W-N, down. The girl is looking down. Okay, very good. Next, the next concept is over, under. Okay, over and under. Look at the picture, circle the correct word. Okay, here is a bridge. Here is a bridge, children, and the buses are going on the bridge. Okay, the question is, the buses are over, under the bridge. Over or under? If it is up, it is over, and if it is down, it is under. Okay, here is the bridge and the buses are over the bridge. O-V-E-R, over. Circle the word over. Next, the boat is B-O-A-T, boat. The boat is over, under the bridge. The boat is under the bridge. See, the boat is below. Okay, the buses are on the top, the boat is under the bridge, below the bridge. Okay, under, U-N-D-E-R, under. This is the correct word here. Okay, you have to look at the positions and then circle the perfect word. Okay, next concept is inside and outside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Outside, O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Inside and outside. Look at the picture and circle the correct word. Okay, see, here are some books in a bag and here a box and pencil. Okay, shall we see what sentence is given? The books are inside or outside the bag. See, here is the bag. The books are in the bag. Okay, the books are kept in the bag. So, inside. If it is in the bag, it is inside. Circle the word inside. The books are inside the bag. Next, the pencil is P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. The pencil is inside or outside the box. See, the box is here and the pencil is here. The pencil is not kept in the box. It is kept out of the box. So, the answer is the pencil is outside the box. Outside. Okay, O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. The pencil is outside the box. Okay. See children, the next concept is on page number 6 to 62. Okay, these are also based on positions. Okay, 62 and 63. What's the next one? See, front and back. F-R-O-N-T, front, and B-A-C-K, back. Okay, look at the picture, circle the correct word. See, Ram is sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting in the front, F-R-O-N-T, front, or back, B-A-C-K, back row. Okay, now you have to see the position. Okay, see, Ram is a boy. He is sitting here. Okay, the girl is sitting there. So, Ram is sitting front or back of this girl? Sitting front. He is facing front side. Okay. So, Ram is sitting front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Okay. You have to observe the picture carefully and then only you can write the answer. Okay. Front. Next. Anu. A-N-U. Anu. Anu is sitting in the front or back row. Okay. See, Anu is the girl. Here is Ram. Anu is sitting, see, behind him. See, she is sitting back of Ram. Okay. So, the answer is back. See, her position is back. Okay. Anu is sitting in the back row. Okay. You have to identify the position clearly. Then only you can answer it. Next. On and under. O-N, on. Under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay, this is the next comparison. See, here is a table and the cat is sitting on the table and a rat is here. Okay, rat is sitting down. Okay, shall we see the positions? The cat is on or under the table. The cat is sitting on the table. Okay, on means above. Okay, on the table. So, you have to circle on, O-N, on. The cat is sitting on the table. Next, the rat. The rat is O-N, on, under, U-N-D-E-R, under the table. See, where is the rat? The rat is sitting under. Under is down, down the table. Okay, the rat is sitting under the table. So, circle the word under. Okay, under. This is the difference between on and under. Okay, shall we move on to the next concept? It is in page number 6363 and the comparison is, see, in front of, I-N, F-R-O-N-T, front of, O-F, of. Behind, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Look at the picture, circle the correct word. Okay, Anu. See, this girl is Anu. She is standing near the tree. Okay, Anu is in front of or behind the tree. What will be the answer, children? See, she is standing before the tree. Okay, not back of the tree. She is sitting in front of the tree. Okay, so the answer is in front of. She is standing in front position. Okay, in front of. Next, Tom. Tom is in front of or behind the tree. Okay, if he is standing at the back of the tree means the word you have to use is behind. Okay, behind is the word that means at the back. Okay, behind. Circle the word behind. Anu is standing in front and Tom is standing at the back. Okay, standing at the back. Next comparison is far and near. Okay, far and near. F-A-R, far. N-E-A-R, near. Far and near. Okay. Look at the picture, circle the correct word. Okay. Here is a tree and here is a car. Here is a tree and there is a bus. Okay. Shall we see the positions of car and bus? Okay. The car is near or far away from the tree. Okay. See, the car is standing near the tree. Okay. It is standing very close to the tree. Near means very close. Okay. The car is near the tree. Circle the word near. N-E-A-R, near. Okay. Next. See, here is a tree and is a bus. There is a gap distance between the bus and the tree. So, the bus is far away. It is at a certain distance away from the tree. Okay. The bus is near or far away from the tree. Here the answer is far away. The car is standing close to the tree. So, it is near the tree. It is standing at some distance far away. Okay. See, bus is far away from. Okay. Okay, children. Do the exercise. Shall we move on to the classwork now? See, children, this is your classwork part. Okay. Positions. First, you have to write one set of words like this with the help of your parents and then copy down in the second row. Okay. See, T-O-P, top. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Okay. Shall we write it? See. T-O-P, top. Bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Okay. You have to write it like this. Next. Up and down. U-P, up. D-O-W-N, down. U-P, up. D-O-W-N, down. Up, down. Next. Over, under. O-V-E-R, over. First read out the spelling 2 to 3 times, children. Then only you can identify the word as over, like this. Okay. Over. O-V-E-R, over. Under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay. Write it like this. See, another set of words in the next page. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Write down. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Next. Its positional opposite word is outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Okay. Next. Front, back. Okay. Front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Back. B-A-C-K, back. Next. On, under. This is the set of another positions. Okay. On. O-N, on. Under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Next. In front of. I-N, in. Write down. I-N, in. Front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Of. O-F, of. In front of. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. In front of, behind. Okay. This is your classwork part today. Okay. 7 set of position words. Write it down. See, children, your today's rhymes is my kite. Okay. It is in page number 2 to 22. 22. Okay. Shall we read out the rhymes? This rhymes is based on kite. Do you all like kite flying? Yes. See, colorful kites are here. Okay. Flip, flap, flip, flap. rises my kite up and up in the sky. That is so blue and bright. Flip, flap, goes my kite. Sometimes to my left, sometimes to my right. Flip, flap, flies my kite. High and high above, it flies with delight. Read out the rhymes 2 to 3 times. Practice it well at home. Okay. Write your class work neatly and send it to the group. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.